Are your site managers overwhelmed with maintenance and cleaning requests? Is your inbox flooded with service inquiries? Are your on-site teams spending more time writing emails and making phone calls than actually solving problems? Are clients constantly asking for updates on when tasks will be completed? askporter is here to help. We take the manual effort out of handling your service requests, automating their creation, providing updates to clients, and checking the work is done. So, how does it work? Does someone in your building need something fixed or cleaned? All they need to do is scan a QR code or send an email to our inbound email address, and our online assistant will take it from there. That's it. askporter captures all the details, including using AI image recognition where relevant to make reporting effortless. It then categorizes, prioritizes, and routes the job straight into your system or our task management platform. When maintenance or cleaning staff arrive, they can check in, and after completing the job, and before they check out, they can upload any relevant images or documentation. askporter will automatically notify the reporter, who can then leave feedback. No manual intervention required. And if tasks aren't completed on time, they can be automatically escalated using your pre-configured escalation paths. We also handle outbound communications. Whether it's scheduled maintenance or compliance checks, askporter makes sure the right people know what's happening and when. Less administration, less manual work, faster resolutions. All making clients happier. askporter, reducing costs while ensuring higher service standards.